Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered creativity with a fresh look at Pixelcut AI. This is your ultimate 2026 guide and tutorial for this free AI photo editor perfect for beginners and seasoned creators alike. Let's unpack what makes it tick, what it can truly do, and where it might fall short so you can decide if it's the right tool for your creative workflow. We'll explore everything using only the official site to get you the most accurate information. Pixelcut AI is a comprehensive free AI photo editor designed to be a one-stop creative workspace. The platform positions itself as the go-to tool for creating professional photos and videos with AI, trusted by over 50 million creators, brands, and businesses. The interface is built around key workflows for specific needs like the ghost mannequin for apparel, lifestyle apparel model shots, jewelry display or hand models, and product flat lay images. For everyday edits, it offers one-click solutions to remove BG, retouch, upscale, expand images, and process files in batch edit mode. Beyond static images, Pixelcut has a strong video creation suite where you can generate high-quality video from a single prompt or image using top AI models like Veo 3.1, Sora 2, Nano Banana, Seedream V4, and Flux Context Pro. Pixelcut offers two main subscription plans, Pro and Business, both billed either monthly or yearly with a 20% saving on annual plans. The Pro plan costs $10 per month and includes unlimited AI edits, 600 monthly credits, the ability to add 3 team members, 1 concurrent AI generation, and a commercial license. The Business plan, marked as most popular, costs $30 per month. It provides 3,600 monthly credits, unlimited AI edits, allows for 10 team members, offers 4 concurrent generations, and includes a commercial license. The service is trusted by over 200,000 creators, brands, and small businesses. Goodbye everyone, and see you later.